We're going to look at similar triangles today, and the first thing you have to do is graph each pair of triangles and determine if they're similar or not, and then explain your answer. And here's our first example. Triangle RST with vertices R, S, and T, and you're comparing it with triangle UVW with the given vertices. First thing I want you to do is plot the points. Choose one of your colored pencils and plot triangle RST first. R is negative 4, 5. S is negative 4, 4. And T is 2, negative 4. And you would connect the dots. And then pick up your pencil, just your regular pencil, and we're going to find the slope of each of the lines that we have. And because it's a triangle, we have 3 lines that we have to find the slope for. The easiest ones to find the slope for are the horizontal and the vertical ones, because you know those are either going to be 0 or undefined. So the horizontal is m equals 0, and the vertical is m equals undefined. Then all we have to do is look at the diagonal one. So that means we're going to count up and over. Or you could use the triangle that you've already built up that is created by the triangle itself. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is our rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is our run. And I have to remember that it's negative. So that one would be m equals 9 over 6, which is negative, which reduced, if you simplified it, is negative 3 over 2. To show our work, we're going to go off to the side and we're going to write the first slope that we have, which was undefined. The next one was 0, and the next one was negative 3 over 2. We're just going to make a list of them. Now I want you to pick up your other color, and I want you to make triangle UVW with that color. So I kind of cleaned it up a little bit with the typing part. Now I have my second triangle, and I use the color green this time. So because I have 3 sides again to find the slope for, I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to focus on the ones first that are easiest. So this bottom one is horizontal, so it's 0. The vertical one is undefined. So I'm seeing that so far it's the same as the other triangle. And now I just have to do this part right here. So I would go up 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2. So that m equals 3 over 2, and it is negative. So now I can go over to this side and fill out my other sides. So the undefined side match this undefined side. Those are corresponding sides, and they were both undefined. If I look at this side, it is the same as this side, and they are both m equals 0. And if I look at the final corresponding side, both of the slopes were negative 3 over 2. If all 3 of them are absolutely equal to each other, then these will be similar triangles. And they are similar because the corresponding slopes are congruent. Now let's go to the next example. Question 2. I have triangle CDE and triangle MNO. Go ahead and use the first color to plot CDE. So after you plot the 2 triangles, you can start to find the slopes for them. So I'm going to find the slope for this triangle first. And so I know that this is m equals 0. And then if I go up 1 over 2, that's positive. So I have m equals 1 over 2. And then this one is up 1 over 1. And it's negative, so m equals negative 1. And then I can go over and set my problem up. So I have 0, 1/2, and negative 1. And now I'm going to do the other triangle to see if they're going to be congruent, to see if they are corresponding, if the corresponding sides have the same slope, to see if they are similar. So here's my second triangle. This one is easy. M equals 0, so I'm good to go on that one. Then I have this one. I'm going to go up 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3. So that's m equals 2 over 3. So I already know that they're not going to be similar, but just to make sure, I'm going to double check the last one. Or not to make sure. I know it's not. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this one is m equals negative 2 over 3. So this is what my answer should have. And I'm going to include, instead of equals, that it does not equal. And because they are not all corresponding slopes that are congruent, they are not similar. So not similar because the corresponding slopes are not congruent.